All right, the system turned off right now. It is completely off. So we're gonna go ahead and walk in front of it and see if it turns on. And there it is. Just by raising my hand, it turned on automatically. All right, today we're gonna bring a slim ceiling light, and this is a smart ceiling light. So we're gonna take a look at it and see what you get when you get some of this. So let's open it up. All right, if you guys can see, it's very slim. The side angle, side profile, if you guys can see, everything that you need is included in there. They give you a couple instructions in here, the screws, and the actual base that you're going to require. So let's open it up completely. All right, before we hang it up there, I just want you to see the inside of it, all right? It has a metal wire, so in case you mount this first, and this could be hanging by itself, so you have time to actually do the wiring. Now, they give you an option that you can wire through here and connect it, marry it together, or you could do it yourself. But base, it's very simple. You're going to have to do 3 screws. It comes with actual drive mount screws if you want as an option. All you got to do is twist it in there and you're set. So we're going to set this up today and see how it works.
Got it. Turning the shop on.
There it goes. We got it going. Working very well from here. Lighting up this whole place. It has a sensor on too, so we are going to set that up. But check it out. Beautiful. Covering the entire area here. This is my room here that I have.